Hello everybody, this is the unboxing and first impression video for Notion Ink Cain 10. As you can see, the package is from Snapdeal, which seems to be the exclusive retail partner of Notion Ink, and this is the only place that you can purchase Notion Ink from. Let's open it. As you can see, we have got one hard disk free. Just open it. I'm not gonna touch this because my review is about Notion Ink Cain. This is a USB 3 500 GB Samsung hard disk that was inside this package, free with the laptop. So this is the package in which Notion Ink Cain laptop comes. Let's just unbox it. Inside the box, this we can see, here we can see is the welcome letter, the starter guide and everything. This is the tablet. Let's power this thing up. This is the power button. And yes, we are back again. This thing took around 20 seconds to boot up, but Windows 8.1 initializations took 15 minutes. We are back after doing all that. Now let's speak about the screen. Cain has 10.1 inch screen display. It is a 1280 by 800 pixels 10-point touch screen. Being an IPS screen, the viewing angles on this thing are really great. But the screen is still reflective, as I can see my own image in the screen. It has two megapixel cameras, one in front, one in back. Let's speak about the connectivity on this thing. It has two microphone holes, one DC charging port, one USB 3 port, micro USB port, micro SD slot, mini HDMI port, and a 3.5 audio jack. These are the volume rockers and the speakers. This part is quite interesting. This part opens up to reveal a slot for 3G Ultra Stick, which is a miniature 3G dongle which will hit the market soon. With this particular tablet can be converted into a cellular tablet. The overall look and feel of the product is quite good. The plastic used to make this thing is of premium quality. This part is some texturized aluminum which acts as a natural heat sink for the atom. By the way, this particular tablet is powered by a Intel Atom quad-core processor, codenamed as Bay Trail. Okay, now let's see what else do we have in the package. There's a quick start guide which no one reads. This is the keyboard cover. It is made out of rubberized leather. Let's mount this thing. Let's mount the tablet on this thing. The cover can be used as a magnetic stand for your laptop. This thing can be converted into a laptop very easily, though it does not have a full size keyboard, not even close to a standard size keyboard. Let's go ahead and type something. Though the accuracy is quite good and it also provides a good amount of feedback, I think this keyboard is still quite usable, and yes, let's see how trackpad is doing. It has a trackpad with 2 buttons. Let's see how much space do we have on this thing. Notion in Cain comes with 20 GBs of free space. That is a lot of space when compared to other tablets in the same range in the market. Let's see what else do we have in the package. We have been given a Happy Dent White for some promotional reasons. This is the package. This is a DC charger. One OTP cable. We can use this OTP cable to mount up to 1 terabyte of hard disk. Normally USB 3 supports only 500 GBs of hard disk. So this can be useful if you want to use 1 terabyte of hard disk. And one wireless Bluetooth mouse. It's very light, and the plastic used is of great quality, and this part is rubberized. Feels very great. Cannot use it right now because it does not have a battery. And yes, it's all that we have in the package. My first impression about the product is that the product is powerful yet sleek. Looks and feels great. It's light, and it's light on my pocket as well, because all this product, everything in the package is under 20k, even including this USB 3 500 GB Samsung hard disk. Now, I'm not a big fan of Windows, but Microsoft's latest offering, Windows 10, seems to be quite promising for touch tablets, and Ubuntu 15.4 is also now supports touch screens, so it would be fun using both the OSs on this thing. Thank you.